Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create mommy on Dress to Impress. Okay, let's get into it guys. First of all, I'm going to color my avatar to white. I'm going to select color wheel and I'm going to choose palette. I'm just going to choose white color. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the section to apply hair. Okay, I'm going to apply this hairstyle. Wait, oops, sorry, this one. And I'm going to color it to brown, light brown. Okay, and then I'm going to go to the section to apply pants. Okay, right here. Oops, sorry guys, you can go here first and then you can apply mask. Okay, and also this one. Okay, and then we're going to apply pants. Wait, I'm going to take this money. Okay, let's follow me. Apply pants. Go to this section and then apply this pink pant. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this section and apply this t-shirt. Okay, and then keep following me. Okay, and go to apply this one, this stocking. All right, and then don't forget to apply sock, hand sock, I mean this one. Okay, and now it's time to change the pattern to create mommy. Okay, I'm going to start with the mask. Go to the pattern and then you can apply this pattern, and then this one as well. I'm going to make it like this, and then for the pant, okay, you just need to change all the pattern to this mommy pattern. Okay, I'm going to remove the fur. Okay, and now it's done guys, and then this is the final result. As you can see, this is how you can be a mommy on Dress to Impress. Okay guys, and that's all the tutorial for today. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.